Well, Sevan has served in different capacities, as I've said, and is one person who has lived an exemplary life. He's a person one would want to emulate. He has left a huge legacy. If you talk about his service to the nation in terms of, contribution as a leader, in central government, he has been a member. He was a member of parliament. He was a cabinet minister, and in Democratic Party, even before he became the president of DP, he served in different capacities as a treasurer and many other positions. And as also mayor of Kampala, he made his mark, his contribution. So he's been an all-rounder. He's a man who has seen it all, who has served to his best. He made a lot of contributions. So he definitely has been a household name. And I've said his legacy is huge. All we need to do as this generation, the youngsters and the leaders of today, is to emulate his good deeds. Of course, like any other person, he may have committed trespasses, wittingly or unwittingly, consciously or subconsciously. All we have to say, may the good Lord forgive him for whatever trespasses he may have committed, either by omission or commission. So, like we are not angels. We are all prone to such mistakes. So, whatever mistakes he may have committed, like any other human being, we pray to the Almighty to forgive him.